Having read the previous chapter, now we know that the Parliament is in charge of making laws. But do these laws apply to everyone? How do new laws come into being? Could there be laws that are unpopular or controversial? In this chapter we will study: do laws apply to all? In independent India there is a rule of law. This implies that all are equal before the law. The law cannot discriminate between persons on the basis of their religion, caste or gender. Further, any crime or violation of law has a specific punishment as well as a process through which the guilt of the person has to be established. The Constitution of India serves as the foundation on which our representatives make laws for the country. Also, every year our representatives pass several new laws as well as revise existing ones. How did laws work in ancient India? In ancient India, we had innumerable and often overlapping local laws. Different communities enjoyed different degrees of autonomy in administrating these laws among their own. For instance, the punishment that two persons received for the same crime varied depending on their caste backgrounds, with lower caste being more harshly penalized. How did laws work in colonial India? It is often said that the British colonialists had introduced the rule of law in India. However, this statement has been challenged by various historians on two grounds. They argue that, firstly, colonial law was arbitrary, and second, the Indian nationalists play a prominent role in the development of the legal sphere in British India. They substantiate their argument with the example of the Sedition Act of 1870. According to this, any person protesting or criticizing the British government could be arrested without due trial. Indian nationalists began protesting, criticizing this arbitrary use of authority by the British and fighting for greater equality. By the end of the 19th century, the Indian legal profession also began emerging and demanded respect in colonial courts. Thus, there were several ways in which Indians played a major role in the evolution of the rule of law during the colonial period. How do new laws come about? The Parliament has an important role in making laws. There are many ways through which this takes place. However, the role of citizens is crucial in helping the Parliament to frame laws. It is because it is different groups in society that raise the need for a particular law, and it is expected from the Parliament to be sensitive to the problems faced by people. From establishing the need for a new law to its being passed, at every stage of the process, the voice of the citizen is a crucial element. This voice can be heard through TV reports, newspaper editorials, radio broadcasts, local meetings, all of which help in making the work that Parliament does more accessible and transparent to the people. Unpopular and controversial laws. Sometimes a law can be constitutionally valid and hence legal, but it can continue to be unpopular and unacceptable to people. In such a situation in India, citizens can express their unwillingness to accept repressive laws framed by the Parliament and pressurize the Parliament to change it. People who think that the law is not fair can approach the court to decide on the issue. The court has the power to modify or cancel laws if it finds that they don't adhere to the Constitution. Thus, it is the extent, involvement and enthusiasm of the people that helps the Parliament perform its representative functions properly.